Data provenance. Data provenance.
Data provenance is the record of where data came from, how it was collected, and every important change it went through before an AI system used it. Think of it as a detailed audit trail that answers who touched the data, when, and in what way.
A simple way to picture data provenance is like version history for code, but applied to datasets. You can rewind and see the original raw data, every cleaning or filtering step, and exactly which final slice ended up training or evaluating your model. On this channel, the idea is closely related to responsible AI, which focuses on making AI systems transparent, accountable, and well-governed.
In a real AI pipeline, data provenance might log that customer data was imported from a CRM export on a specific date, anonymized to remove names and emails, filtered to a region, then balanced to fix class imbalance before training a fraud detection model. If the model later behaves oddly for one region, engineers can trace back exactly which pre-processing steps and source files affected that region's data.
Data provenance matters because regulators, auditors, and engineers increasingly expect AI decisions to be explainable and traceable back to specific data sources and transformations. Strong provenance helps you prove compliance, debug model failures, detect data leakage or bias, and safely update models as data changes over time.